This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Spacious two-story over a finished basement in the desirable Rolling Oak at the Stands neighborhood, which is convenient to the lovely and popular Olcott Park with access to numerous trails for biking, walking, skating, etc. This traditional home offers several options for entertaining or just relaxing, with a family room and living room on the main level as well as a large recreation room on the lower level. The main level also offers a formal dining room, powder room, laundry room, fully equipped eat-in kitchen with a built-in task desk, and a movable island/table. There are 4 bedrooms on the upper level. The primary suite has a vaulted ceiling, a private ensuite bath with a twin sink vanity, a separate tub and shower, and a walk-in closet. The other generous bedrooms share the full hall bath with a tub/shower combo. On the lower level, there is a 3rd full bath, the rec room, a den, 5th bedroom if desired, and abundant storage closets. There are built-in bookcases in the rec room. The home is situated on a corner lot with a nice backyard patio. There is a wonderful screened porch accessed from the kitchen and includes a skylight. The oversized 2-car garage includes the mechanicals and plenty of room for a workbench. Schools are Childs, Jackson Creek,